Hello everyone. PhD is meant only for the brightest and most smartest people on the planet Earth. And PhD results into a lot of headache and heartache. And basically, if you want to do a PhD, you have to put pause to your life. Well, these are some common misconceptions about PhD, and today I would like to formally condemn each one of them. I think PhD can be a very delightful journey. It can be a very meaningful and a unique journey about you, your research aspirations, and you adding to the existing knowledge. However, there are certain things you need to be really careful about. And what are those things which can make your PhD journey a unique, interesting, and a pleasant experience? The first and foremost thing is you need to reflect what exactly is your motivation for doing a PhD. Why in the first place you would like to embark on that journey? And only you can answer that question really well. Okay? Once you've answered that question and once you're sure you want to do it, then there are three most important things. First, you need to find a really good supervisor and a team to support you. I had a wonderful experience. I still remember my PhD supervisors, Professor Grant Searchfield and Professor Kathy Stinner from University of Auckland. They were one of the best supervisors, So it's extremely important for you to find that right people you want to work with. Point number two, remember, PhD is about resilience and time management, not too much about smartness or intelligence. So as long as you are quite proactive in terms of managing your time and you are resilient to learn very quickly and adapt to things, you will be absolutely fine. And third, and most importantly, remember to look at the bigger picture. Don't just get too focused only on the PhD and those 3 to 5 years time. Always remember to keep the bigger picture and the broader perspective in mind. So if you are interested in doing a PhD program, or you are a student in high school or at the university, or for that matter, you're an academic or working in the university sector, but for whatever reasons, you couldn't embark on your PhD. Of course, there is work-life commitments, there are existing job, financial complications, and other bits and pieces. If you want to have a one-on-one chat with me, I'm very happy and open to help you gain some insights about it. Follow my YouTube channel, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and feel free to write a direct message to me. And I'll be very happy to have an open, honest conversation with you, which will hopefully give you some more clarity about not only to take a decision about doing a PhD or not, but also to make your journey as meaningful and as impactful as possible. Thank you so much. Bye.